Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in New Jersey on his Stryker SR-497HPC. James got it ready to go for you, bud. We upgraded the finals in it to 4 ERF 2030 pluses. We also went ahead and upgraded your voltage regulator, both of those for durability and longevity. Of course, our tune alignment, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, receive upgrade. She's ready to go. I'm going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got you around 5.5 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amplifier with it, you got adjustability. 30 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, about 55 bird or so. Peak power 250 watt slug. Low, about 135 peak. Alright, James, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.